Hello champion. This is how you can do a mobile recharge to your home country on the C3 Pay app. Click on the Recharge International icon that you see in the center of your screen. Select the country you want to recharge to. Choose your provider. Now enter the name of the person you are doing the recharge for. This is called beneficiary. Enter their mobile number and then click Next. Enter the OTP number which you received in your SMS. Click Next. Now you will see a bundle selection screen. Choose a bundle that you like. You are almost done. Double check all the details and then click on the Make Recharge button. That's all. You have successfully done your first international mobile recharge.